Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi K70 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to apply those instructions to your device. So let's open the browser and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it, so it will disappear. However, I'm pretty sure that if in your case this list is really long, then it is not the best and the most efficient way to remove everything manually. So let's simply tap on clear browsing data at the top, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got those which are marked here, so the browsing history, cookie sensor data, and cached images and files. And under it we've got some, I would say, advanced browsing history, advanced browsing data, so saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, 4 weeks or even all time. So just mark the option and tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.